What's in there, monkey? What do you see in there? There's presents for you. Ooh, can you open it? Open. What's in there?
Let's take them all out first. You want to take them all out?
Boo-boo.
Don't throw them. Put them nicely. Put them down. Do one more down. One more.
Gentle.
And that one. Got a puppy. Come on, puppy. More. And I think that's it. No more. Yay! Now it's time to unwrap. Let's play unwrap. Put them back in the box. Which one do you want to wrap first? That one. Asha, good job. Ooh, that's a puzzle. Look at that. Whose dress is that? Is that pretty? Yes? Okay. We're going to say yes. That's a puzzle. We're not going to take it out because then we're going to lose the pieces. That's an elephant. I don't know how that elephant does, but it sounds close. You going to wrap more? There's more. Open those. Look how many pieces you have. That's so many gifts. Let's see what else you got. You got a book. I love you. There's another book with I love you. Ha! You love books? How much you love books? Yeah. We got another little dress. Shirt, shorts. Yay! Look at that. You opened that all by yourself?
Good job.
It says love, cute, fun. You're all that.
What's that?
It's a beach toy. It's just what she needed. It's a good thing we didn't go buy it. No, it's not. There's the thing. And there's the shovel. And you put sand, I guess, and you do that. Well, I guess it's simple. See, we need to go to the beach and try them. Look what you got. What's that? Is that a monkey? Oh, what is that? Jack Taylor, Brown Silk Collector. Like a toys kind of thing. I have it in Romania.
Finger pumpkins?
Romania. I think they're pericole scopare. Romanian. Can you imagine?
Can you read? You want Daddy to read that for you? Okay. Yeah, before you tear it apart. Who's fun? Who's cute? Who's turning 2?
This girl.
Hooray! Hooray! It's lovable you. We hope you have a very happy birthday. Love, Grandma and Grandpa.
Look all these toys. These finger ones.
Yeah, finger puppets.
I think that's not the one. That one was too much to
Is that another book for Abigail?
Abigail! Is that Abigail? You love Abigail. Where is your Abigail?
I don't know. This is fun, so we're doing this.
Who's that? What is that? Is that meow? Is that Psika? Who buys Psika? He's ripping off things right now. even looking. She's
It's the fun part.
Look at that, so pretty.
Ooh.
All these bright colors. Your grandma likes bright colors. Ooh, and that's animal prints.
Ooh.
Ooh, you're gonna be so. What is that? Oh, that's something that you might like. Drawing and things.
Take a monkey, monkey, monkey.
And a pair of shorts. More colors. You're gonna be very bright, Mommy. We're gonna see you from far away. Doing fun? What is that?
Bubba, look at it. Turn on the battery switch.
That's a sweet little girl. Look at that. What does that say? No, you do not care. We're gonna take that apart and we'll go to the beach. Where's our mom? Where's your mom? Where's our mom? You just got in a mom. That might be your favorite toy if it makes sound.
Looky, looky, looky.
Did you have fun? You like it? There's a monkey. Is this George? You're gonna name him George? Hey, cute George? Yay! Where's Abigail? You wanna read Abigail the new story? Where's your Abigail? Where is she? You got so many toys, Monique. Got toys?
Where are you going with the book?